Creating vendors one by one in QuickBooks Desktop can take time, especially when your vendor data is already available in Excel, CSV, supplier lists, old company file exports, or another system. Instead of creating each vendor manually, SaasAnt Transactions Desktop lets you import vendor data in bulk, map the fields, review the records before sending them to QuickBooks Desktop, and download the import result for your records. In this video, I will show you how to import vendors into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. To learn how to connect SaasAnt Transactions Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop, check the setup video link in the description. From the SaasAnt home screen, click Import. Now select Vendor. Next, browse and select your prepared vendor file from your system. You can also use sample templates if you need a clean file format. I'm choosing SaasAnt Default Mapping. Click Next to continue. SaasAnt will automatically map the fields in your file with the matching QuickBooks fields. If needed, you can also adjust the mapping manually. To reuse this mapping later, click Add or Save Mapping. Make sure the necessary fields such as vendor name, company name, contact details, billing address, and other required fields are mapped correctly. Once the mapping is done, continue to the Review and Import screen. Here, review the vendor data before sending it to QuickBooks Desktop. You can make quick corrections directly in the grid if needed. You can also open Import Settings to review the date format, matching list action, tax code lookup, and related import preferences. Adjust the settings if needed, then click Save. After reviewing the records, click Send to QuickBooks Desktop. SaasAnt will import the vendor records into QuickBooks Desktop. Once the import is complete, SaasAnt will show the import result summary. Here, you can see the total records, successful records, and failed records. If any record fails, fix the error and re-import the corrected record. To verify the imported vendors in QuickBooks Desktop, go back to QuickBooks Desktop and open the Vendor Center. Search for the imported vendor names and confirm that the vendor records are available. Use Undo if you need to roll back the imported vendor records. You can download the import result for your records. That's how you import vendors into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop.